Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're working on 2009 Nissan Frontier. So the vehicle coming with the complaint, the check engine light on, and also the owner told me when he drive on the highway it at maximum like at 50 miles an hour, no more than that. Even the gas pedal all the way to the floor, and that seemed to be. And also he say when he wrapped the engine he got the acceleration and then the engine make a noise. So I confirmed the customer complaints, the check engine light on. As you can see right now we got only one code, the random misfire. So let's go from here, check it out, see what going on, what's wrong with this vehicle. Since we don't have the misfire data in the data trim, so let's go to the function task. No, anyway, let's go to the operation task. Yeah, we don't have here. Go to the special function. Okay, we got as you can see right here, misfire real time, misfire count real time. And then let's go, we have this vehicle is 4.0 liter engine. We have V6 1 2 3 6 cylinders. And right now, okay, let's start the engine. Okay, let's the engine seems to be run smooth to me. Even when I wrap the engine, as you can see, no misfire at all. So now, let me do this. I can hold the RPM at 4,000. So as you can see, the cylinder number 6 and number 4 misfire right now. And so let us do this. Get brake and then put in dry. Okay, vehicle right now in dry. Make sure. Yep, we have 3 cylinder misfire right now. Cylinder number 2, number 4, and number 6. The reason I put in gear right now and brake the vehicle and then lower the engine, let the engine low, see the misfire, keep counting on that. But you should not go too far because the vehicle in gear right now, you can go about 15,000 RPM, 1,500 RPM. As you can see, it's still no misfire. It counts in now, but it's just sometimes. So confirm the customer complaint, the check engine light on, and we got the code misfire. And so let's test drive and see how this vehicle drive and how the vehicle run, and see how the engine noise. Right now in parts, I don't hear any noise from the engine. As you can see out there, seems to be the engine runs smooth. It seems like it's shaking to me. It's very, very high frequency vibration. This is not shaped by the misfire. Like as you can see on the data, no misfire, and the engine itself seems to be okay. And right now, number 6 car 1. Let me grab some more. When I drive the engine to 4,000 RPM, as you can see, misfire a lot on 4-cylinder. Okay, let me test drive with the camera on and see you guys. I don't know, you guys hear the noise in the video or no noise, or see how the misfires gotten worse when we drive it. Okay guys, I'm down to the road right now, so get ready to go. And remember, when I test drive, I have to accel the vehicle quickly and let it low, maximum low on the engine, and see how the engine responds. So let's go. Okay, right now it's about like 10 miles an hour. Okay, as you guys see, no misfire at all right now. Okay, let's go. As you can see, the engine is loud noise right now. So as you can see, right now the engine RPM just like 3,000 RPM when I put the gas all the way to the floor. Yeah, engine very loud noise and misfire getting worse. See that? Okay. Let's go back home, and then I know what's going on with this motor. Okay, let's quit. See, the gas all the way to the floor, but the vehicle should go like 30 miles an hour, no more than that. So right now, number 2 counting 3, number 4 41, number 66. Yeah, it cycle to numbers 4 to 26. I don't need to go to the highway, and let the truck go a little far, and then I quit accel and see. Number 2 right now, number 4 26, number 66. Okay, we're here at the stop sign. Okay, able to go. Okay, keep an eye on the scan 2 guys. 220 sit and sit. See? Vehicles around 30 miles an hour. And using this loud noise. Okay, back to the garage and then do some more test and then see, hope we found the problem. Okay, back to the garage guys. So right now somehow the engine is running at 1000 RPM. As idle 1000 RPM, as you can see, mid-fire. You can see in part, we can let the second little like flash, exactly like the guy told me when on the highway. It no go factor, and then the check engine like flag like that, and as you can see, okay guys, think about that. Why in mid-fire on number 2 and number 4 and number 6? This is on the Nissan motor, and I know this, the bang 2 of the engine on the driver's side, and seem like this guy has a problem with the exhaust. Let's do some more tests and see, hope we found the problem. Yeah, as you can see, we are on the bang side of the engine right now. So but I want to remove the oxygen sensor the one before the catalytic converter. As you can see, this is the oxygen electrical connector here, and the sensor down there, and right next to it, that's the catalytic converter. I will remove this sensor and put the back pressure gauge to this hole, and then check for the pressure. See, this catalytic converter get clogged or something else. Yes, I have here the back pressure gauge, as you can see right there, back pressure tester, and then see the hose long enough for me from under the car, put the gauge outside or inside the car, where we can see it when we run the engine. And then as you can see, we have the quick connector here in the end, and then I will put this quick connector to the oxygen sensor hole and then connect it to this, and all the pressure inside the exhaust, and will let me see on the gauge. So let go and check it out, see what's going on. Okay, I already have the oxygen sensor removed, and then I hand it right here with the electrical connected. So as you can see down there, I already have the gauge hooked up on the oxygen sensor hole and run up here with the gauge right here. So let's go ahead and start the engine and wrap the engine and see how the gauge respond. So, and I can put this here right now, as you can see right there. Yeah, I can have this here for you guys see that. Okay, just put it right here for now, and go ahead and start the engine first. The key here. Okay, the engine run now. As you can see, this car, as you can see, every time if you see the needle bouncing like that, that means you got a problem with the catalytic converter. So let's catalytic converter get clogged for sure. As you can see, let me wrap the engine a little bit, see. Right now 4,000 RPM, and then you see they got about like 7-8 psi of gas pressure. And then also let you guys know that every time you get the clock catalytic converter clock exhaust on whichever band, it will cut on that band running rig. Also cut on the another band running lean. And some symptom like you cannot drive fast on the road. You got run and rig condition on one band, or if the 4-cylinder engine you have the running rig, it's too much fuel. The computer try to cut up fuel like 20 something 30% of fuel, and also might cause misfire. Also might cause with Mac airflow sensor performance, and some DIY or some less knowledge, they might change the Mac airflow sensor, they might change our sensor around, but finally they cannot fix the problem. This vehicle came from another shop with a random misfire like this, and the shop they changed the spark plugs, they changed the coil, and finally called the owner, hey, sorry, I cannot find the problem. See, okay, this catalytic converter gets clogged for sure. How much pressure on the gauge depends on how much is clogged. This car gets clogged like about 70% clogged, and about 30% the air go through. Some get clogged completely, and it might kill your gauge. Okay, so one more thing, I will test drive one more time this vehicle and see how the speed respond on the highway without the oxygen sensor attached to it. I will open the hole, let the air go through from the oxygen sensor hole, and then the engine seems to be a little loud on the road, but we just test it, see how it drives. Alright, and let me, when I'm ready and back on the camera, and let you guys see that. Okay guys, I'm down to the road again for the lab test drive. So let's see right now the vehicle moving. Then let's see, I rev it. Yeah, in the town I cannot drive more than 60 miles an hour, and fuck the police in my back. Okay, let's down there to the highway and see how it drives. Yeah, the police up there. Seems to be the engine RPM respawn right now. And then as you know, on the lab test we never see the vehicle run more than 40 miles an hour. Like wait for a little bit and then I will enter to the highway and see how it responds. This is Highway 12 in California. Seems to be too many vehicles. Oh yeah, thank you for the truck. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What's up, guys? Come on. Oh man, highways become lowways. Let's see. Traffic. running maximum gear, see what's going on. Yeah, as you can see right now, the RPM at 2,500, and the vehicle is 80 miles an hour now. Of course, it not run like it should, because you know that the oxygen sensor right now is outside. Why you come in front of me? Okay. Okay. They call the customer guy and they call the new Catalytic converter for sure. We have to ride the maximum speed, and we have already have 80 miles an hour on the highway. On the highway 12 I cannot, because on the highway 12 become low way, no highway no more. I mean, just for a while. Okay, let's go back to the garage. Okay, one more time, I will back on the highway 80. And then let you guys see one more time for sure the car can drive like it shows 80 miles an hour or not. If we put back the oxygen sensor, and then the car cannot drive it up to 80 miles an hour. Then the cop right there. The cop. Yep. Oh, maybe not, because too many vehicles now. Uh-oh. Heavy traffic. But I think back on Highway 12, maybe no cars that are a little short now. Vehicle now. Mile an hour now. Oh man, same shit. Okay, anyway, let me back to the garage. So for sure the car need a new catalytic converter. So as you can see right now, 70 right now. Okay guys, the car need a new catalytic converter for sure on the bank too. So thanks for watching and see you guys next time. Bye bye.